We are now going to answer this question before us. We're going to do it using both our techniques, so by inspection and by the method. So let's read it. Find the equation of the image of y is equal to x plus 2 on x squared dilated from the y-axis by a factor of 3. So we are dilated from the y-axis by a factor of 3. Let's begin by doing this by inspection. How would we do this by inspection? So because I'm dilating it from the y-axis, that means I'm going to replace my x's here with x over the factor. So that means it's going to be x over 3 plus 2 over, and then into the x spot here, I'm going to put x over 3, and then this needs to be squared. So that means I'm going to get y is equal to x over 3 plus 2 over x squared over 9. Remember, once you're here and you've got something divided by a fraction, the denominator just gets multiplied up to the top numerator here. So we're going to get x on 3 plus 18 on x squared. And just like that, we're done. If you're thinking to yourself, how on earth did you go from this to this? I'm going to quickly just write something here, then rub it out. I went 2 divided by x squared over 9, right? And that's the same as 2 divided by x squared over 9, which is the same as stay, change, flip, which means I get 18 over x squared. So that's what I did there. But after you've seen those enough, you can just remember, hey, I just take this bottom one and multiply it by the top one. Okay, what's the other way you can do this? So this is doing it by inspection. The other way you could do this is doing it by the method. And you know what I might do? I might do it up here. By the method. So I'm starting with a point. I'm going to my new point, which I'm calling x dash y dash. I'm dilating from the y-axis, so that means my x value is going to be multiplied by 3. I then am going to say, well, my x dash is equal to 3x, so I set this equal to that, and then my y dash is equal to y. Y dash is equal to y. Then I solve for x and y, so this is going to be x dash over 3 is equal to x, and over here, I mean, that's just still the same. Once I've got these all-important things, I'm going to sub those into my original. So I'm going to do this. Remember, I'm starting with y is equal to x plus 2 on x squared. So into my y spot, I'm going to put y dash, because that's what it equals. Let me give myself a bit more room here. And into the x spot, I'm putting x dash over 3. Do you see how this is demonstrating to you why the by inspection works. It's demonstrating why it works. And then we're going to keep on going here. This is x dash over 3 squared. Then I'm going to get y. I'm going to drop the dashes now and just clean it up. So x on 3 plus 2 on x squared on 9, which is the same as x on 3 plus 9 times 2 is 18 on x squared. Whoa. Perfect. That's our answer. And as you can see, that's the same as what we got over here. The moral of the story is you should start to realize now what by the method is. By the method is showing you why by inspection works. You're kind of just skipping all these steps and going right to this one and just subbing it in. That's why by inspection is quicker. But hopefully you can understand why this method works by looking at this method over here. We got the same answer. You need to know how to do it both ways. Hopefully you found this useful.